Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson from L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bow tie for toasting glasses. I have here a wine glass, some grosgrain ribbon in black, a longer strip, and a shorter strip. You don't have to have an exact measurement depending on how long or how wide you want the bow tie. You can just kind of eyeball it. But if you wanted to measure it, I'd say roughly 6 inches and 2 inches. I'm also going to use some hot glue. So what I'm going to do, now whether or not you're toasting with a wine glass or champagne will apply. I'm going to take the ribbon and just turn it in on itself from both sides so that the ends overlap. And where it overlaps, I'm going to apply just a little bit of glue at each layer, like this. You're going to get some strings from the glue. Don't worry about that. Those can be removed very easily once it dries. They dry very quickly. Then I'm going to take the shorter strip and I'm going to wrap it. I'm going to kind of pinch this in the middle to form a little bit of a bow, and I'm going to wrap this around, again, applying a little bead of glue in the back and holding this end in place. Gathering it and placing another bead of glue. I'm going to flap this over a little bit and fold it over here, holding it in place. And when you turn it back over, you have a little bow tie. Then you can just take your hot glue, just put a little dab of it right at the top of the stem, and hold your bow tie right in place. Just takes a moment to dry. And there you have a quick and easy way to make a black bow tie for a toasting glass. My name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.